Hey everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Do me a favor before we get started. I need you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need you to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, check me out on IG when you get a chance. Elevation underscore mentor. So today we're going to talk about Nvidia and why I am buying Nvidia. So there are people that have been in Nvidia already for a while. Speaking of the stock market, if you are not in the stock market, check out this link below and join the waitlist for the investment group. So I'm going to talk about what is going on with Nvidia. You know it's in the media, so it has a lot of media attention. So they do computer graphic processors, chips, multimedia software. They are headquartered in Santa Clara, California. Anybody near that area? That's where NVIDIA is. They have 29,600 employees. So a whole lot of people working. So NVIDIA, they did 26 billion for the quarter. That is with a B. They have been up 262% year over year. 100 billion in revenue this year alone. They are up 186.71% this past year. That's 186.71% in the past year. Compare that to the S&P 500, which averages around 10%. Okay, so in the past 5 years, up 2,928.93%. 2,928.93% past 5 years. Share price as of today is $1,104.68. That is expected to rise over the next week. Reason being is that they have announced a 10-to-1 stock split that is coming up. That will be Friday, June 7th. So when they announce stock splits, the stock tends to go up. Right before that split, the rise is usually around 25%. There are some traders that have put Nvidia on the wait list on their list to observe it. Other traders are putting in calls, and then you have your long-term investors that are dollar cost averaging. So the PE ratio as of now is 62.28. They have the Blackwell chip. So they have another chip expected to be released in 2025. They also have the Spectrum X Ethernet networking solution. So within the data centers, they have Ethernet capability, which makes them even more powerful. So the things that they are developing, the chips that they are developing, will be going into the self-driving cars, the humanoid robots. Have you seen the humanoid robots? So people are out here actually developing robots that are similar to humans. That's what they're doing. So these things will be going into self-driving cars, humanoid robots, data centers, supercomputers. So they have the chip that's expected to be released in 2025. They have Spectrum X Ethernet networking solution, Ethernet capability, which is very important for data centers. They also have the GP200 super chip. In addition, they already have the Blackwell chip, which is 4 times better at AI training. So it makes it super competitive in comparison to some of its other competitors. So some of his other competitors include AMD, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. However, according to their recent earnings report, they have an increased demand in GPUs. So the earnings report came out very well. There's an increased demand for their GPUs. Also, there is this upcoming stock split, which it will be happening Friday, June 7th. With stock splits, you see an increase in the share price, and the rise is generally 25%. So people are expecting it to rise. Currently, it is at $1,104.68. They are expecting it to rise right before you see that split happening, which will happen on June 7th. So Nvidia is looking very promising. Very good news for their earnings report. Very strong company still. And then the past year, it has been up 186.71%. 186%. And go over that and compare that to the 10% that you're used to seeing. This is 186% in 1 year. So this is Nvidia. As you know, it has the headlines for the media. So there are other stocks that are also doing as well as Nvidia, if not better. If you are interested in investing and you're not in the stock market at all, check out the link below. Join the waitlist for the investing group. Also, check out the pinned link below. I have a hat collection, and this is in relation to dating. So we are changing this whole dating scene out here. And we're going to start with this hat. So, YouTubers, when I see you creating a video, I would like to see you have this hat on. All these male YouTubers out here. Okay, I can think of one. Okay, there's one. He's African American. There's another one. He's African American. There's a group of three. They're African American. Let me see. There's one. He's Caucasian. Let's see. There's a woman, but this hat is for men. Let's see. Oh, there's another male who's African American. Let's see. There's one more Caucasian. Okay, so next time I see you, I would like for you to have this hat on. And what you're doing is you are promoting and encouraging good relationships. And it's going to start with this hat right here. All right, so if you're watching me, purchase this hat. And also, if you're watching me, hit the like button. And I'll do the same if I'm watching you. All right. So thank you for watching, everyone. And check out Nvidia. Let's see what it does. The stock split is happening June 7th. So we get to watch its progression. All eyes on Nvidia. So hopefully you are in and you'll be gaining this profit. They expect the rise to be about 25%. So hopefully you are in and you will see the profit. If not, you can watch and see what happens. Watch and see what happens. All eyes on Nvidia. All right. Like I said before, there are other stocks that are doing as well as Nvidia, if not better. They just don't have the spotlight. All right. So thank you for watching, everyone. Before you leave, do me a favor and hit this like button. That helps other people to see the channel. Also, check out the pin link below. And feel free to leave your comments. Let me know, what do you think? What are you doing in terms of investing? Are you in the stock market? Or are you staying away from the stock market? You know, some people choose to stay away from the stock market. So are you staying away from the stock market? Are you in the stock market? Are you doing long-term investing? Are you trading? Are you doing a mixture of both? And then are you working on accumulating other assets? So feel free to comment below. All right, hit the like button on your way out. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye for now.